definitely.
Can we switch the can we switch it back and so that you can show me how it works with the plugin, or should I just go off and play with that and then come back for another phone call?
Do you have a WordPress install that isn't
that isn't live?
Like live, yeah. Sometimes it's better to experiment with that when it's not on a live site, at least for the first time. All right, so if you go to plugins.
Yeah.
And then add new.
Oops, there we go. Add new.
AllProWebTools.
As one word?
Yep, one word. And
all right, so the cart is here.
Yeah. So let's see, it's already activated, which means it probably should already, the demo should already be loaded up there.
Okay, so.
Let's go ahead and view the site.
Okay. I don't even know what it's going to look like.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Here we go. Okay.
There we go, and you don't have a menu bar.
Right, so let me get one.
Yeah.
Do you know what page I should put on the menu bar?
Yeah, it preloaded some pages for you, so you could, so probably the list products would be a good one to start with.
Okay. Test. Create. List products. Anything else? I guess the cart would be a good one. Maybe check out. I think that might be good enough, right?
Yeah, that should be good. The rest of them are just kind of
okay
additives to these main three.
I'm gonna make that the primary menu so that when I go back, I can see something. Now I know the shortcodes are from the theme that we had developed on, and I'm not going to change that. But let's get a menu bar so I could see something. Products.
There we go. So list products.
Perfect. So if I add whatever the cart, go to checkout.
There we go.
Cool.
Look at that.
Yeah, perfect. So I will play with this here and get a better feel for it. And I'm thinking when I come back from vacation, maybe in like 2 weeks, that not next week, but the week after. So next week I can look at it, and then we can schedule maybe another call in between after that.
Sure. So another thing that's kind of impressive about this WordPress plugin real fast is it does include a lead box widget that hooks into your AllProWebTools.
Good.
Yeah, so it just automatically updates. So if you were to update a new field in your AllProWebTools for the lead box, it automatically updates on your WordPress as well.
Oh, yeah.
So there we go, lead box widget. So let's go ahead and drag that over to the widget area, and then you can select your lead box there. So if you have multiple lead boxes, there'll be more.
So if I did this, I'm going to see it right above the search.
Yeah.
Yep.
There we go.
How cool. Perfect.
Yeah, definitely. And then that automatically feeds into your AllProWebTools CRM.
Oh,
and it can be assigned to like email drip campaigns or anything like that. So it kind of has that power too. Just so you know, it's not just the shopping cart. It is also the sign-up box.
Well, to say the truth, I might set this up right here as my demo to show this other client that I was just thinking of.
Yeah, definitely. We do have just so you know, if you ever wanted to use something a little prettier, we do actually have a WordPress demo.
Okay.
Where is it? It's called wpdemo.allprowebtools.com. And it's kind of themed like a flower shop would be, just because that's our demo environment.
Okay.
But you can use this one as well. It doesn't matter.
wpdemo.allpro. Of course, it doesn't find it. Webtools.com. cool.
There we go. Yeah, and then we have a product, a cart, log out. We kind of, it's a simple WordPress theme, but we tried to make
Exactly.
it, you know.
Well, this is good. And I like the idea of being able to incorporate it as extended services through, I mean, your company is wonderful. So,
Thank you.
yeah, yeah. So any way that I can help you and then you help me and
Yeah,
it ends up
definitely.
helping my clients, it's all good. So I will get back to you after I've looked through this and when I get a good understanding of exactly of everything else and what I need to know if I have any other questions.
Yeah, definitely. So one thing is for your WordPress client, when you create a new client in the toolkit, in your developer toolkit, there's a platform option when you create it. If you just select AllProWebTools for WordPress, that will automatically install AllProWebTools and then give you your WordPress like API information that you'll need to plug in. So it's kind of auto magic. And then also just make sure that any client that you do from now on, just make sure to make them in your developer toolkit first. Otherwise, they will be prompted to pay the $195, and you are, you know, excluded from that fee being a developer.
Okay. Perfect.